Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Drupalcon Nashville 2018, Decoupled Drupal, Hard Problems. This tutorial dives deep into the challenges and solutions presented at Drupalcon Nashville 2018 regarding decoupled, or headless, Drupal architectures. We'll cover key topics discussed, including choosing the right decoupled approach. When is a decoupled architecture suitable? What are the trade-offs? Authentication and authorization. Securing your API and handling user logins. Data consistency and caching. Managing data synchronization between Drupal and your front end. Content preview and editing. Providing a familiar authoring experience with live preview. SEO considerations. Ensuring your decoupled site remains search engine friendly. Module ecosystem and development. Leveraging Drupal modules for decoupled development. Code examples. Concrete examples using Node.js, React, and Drupal's JSON API module. Introduction, the decoupled landscape in 2018. By 2018, the promise of decoupled Drupal was gaining significant traction. The advantages were clear. Improved performance. Front ends could be optimized using modern frameworks and CDN delivery. Enhanced user experience. Greater control over the user interface allowed for richer interactions. Omni-channel publishing. Content could be delivered to websites, mobile apps, and other platforms from a single source. Front-end technology flexibility. Front-end developers could use the tools and frameworks they are most comfortable with. However, moving away from a traditional, monolithic Drupal setup introduced a new set of complexities. Drupalcon Nashville sessions address these challenges head-on. 2. Choosing the right decoupled approach. Progressively decoupled. Gradually integrate front-end components built with frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Angular into a traditional Drupal theme. This allows for incremental adoption and reduced risk. Pros. Lower barrier to entry, familiar Drupal theming tools, SEO benefits. Cons. Can be more complex to manage long-term, potential performance limitations. Fully decoupled, headless Drupal. Drupal serves only as a content repository and API provider. The entire front-end is built separately using a framework of your choice. Pros. Maximum flexibility, performance optimization, and omni-channel capabilities. Cons. Higher initial development cost, requires API expertise, more complex SEO and tooling. Hybrid decoupled. Combines elements of both progressively and fully decoupled approaches. Specific sections of a site might be fully decoupled, while others remain within the traditional Drupal theming layer. When is decoupled right for you? Consider decoupled if you need highly customized user experiences that are difficult to achieve with traditional Drupal theming. You require specific front-end technologies or frameworks. You have a strong front-end development team separate from your Drupal backend team. You need to publish content to multiple platforms beyond a standard website. Performance is paramount and requires a very optimized front end. 3. Authentication and authorization, securing the API. Authentication and authorization are critical for protecting your Drupal content and ensuring only authorized users can access or modify data. In a decoupled setup, this is handled through API authentication. Common approaches discussed at Drupalcon Nashville. JSON Web Tokens, JWT is standard for securely transmitting user information as a JSON object. the Drupal module simple_auth was frequently recommended. How it works. One user authenticates against Drupal's API, typically using username/password or other credentials. 2. Drupal issues a JWT containing user information and permissions. 3. The front end stores the JWT, example in local storage or a cookie. 4. Subsequent API requests from the front end include the JWT in the authorization header. 5. The Drupal API validates the JWT and grants access based on the encoded information. Code example, simplified, Node.js frontend. Drupal configuration, using simple_auth module. 1. Enable the simple_auth module and its dependencies. 2. Configure a new OAuth client with a client ID and secret. 3. Grant the client access to the necessary scopes, example read node, write node. Cookies, with appropriate security measures less common for fully decoupled applications, but still viable for progressively decoupled scenarios. Important to set HTTP only and secure flags to mitigate security risks. Session management. Managing user sessions across the decoupled architecture requires careful consideration. Options include shared session storage, a central session store, example Redis or MEMC8, accessible by both Drupal and the front-end application. Token-based authentication, JWT, is the preferred approach for session-less authentication. Key considerations. Cross-origin resource sharing. CORS configure CORS headers on your Drupal server to allow requests from your front-end origin. This is essential for security. HTTPS. Always use HTTPS for your API and front-end to encrypt data in transit. Rate limiting. Implement rate limiting to protect your API from abuse. Modules like flood_control can help. Permission granularity. Define granular permissions for API access based on user roles. 4. Data consistency and caching, keeping things in sync. Maintaining data consistency between Drupal and your front-end application is vital. Caching strategies are also crucial for performance. Strategies discussed. HTTP caching, CDN. Leverage CDNs, content delivery networks, to cache static assets and API responses. This significantly reduces load on your Drupal server. Client-side caching. Use browser caching to store frequently accessed data locally. Local storage, session storage, and the Cache API are useful tools. Server-side caching. Front-end implement caching mechanisms on your front-end server, example using Redis or MEMC8, to store API responses. Drupal's cache tags. Utilize Drupal's cache tag invalidation system to invalidate caches when content is updated. Example, Drupal, JSON API. Front-end handling of cache invalidation. Webhook integration. Configure Drupal to send a webhook to your front-end application when content is updated. The front end can then invalidate its cache for the affected content. Polling. The front end can periodically poll Drupal's API to check for updates, but this is less efficient than webhooks. GraphQL subscriptions. For more real-time updates, consider using GraphQL subscriptions with a system like Apollo Client. This allows the front end to receive updates automatically when data changes on the server. Data synchronization challenges. Stale data. Ensure the front end always displays the latest version of content. Race conditions. Handle situations where multiple updates occur simultaneously. Data conflicts. Implement strategies to resolve data conflicts that may arise when content is edited in both Drupal and the front end, example last write wins, or conflict resolution UI. Content preview and editing, authoring experience. Providing a good authoring experience is crucial for adoption. Authors need to be able to preview their content before publishing and make edits easily. Approaches discussed. Drupal's preview system. Extend Drupal's existing preview system to work with your decoupled front end. This typically involves generating a temporary URL that points to a preview environment. Edit in context links. Include links on the front end that directly take authors to the Drupal edit page for a specific piece of content. Code example, React frontend. Live preview, real-time updates. Implement a live preview feature that automatically updates the front end as authors make changes in Drupal. This requires a mechanism for communicating changes in real time, example WebSockets or GraphQL subscriptions. Inline editing. Allow authors to edit content directly on the front end. This requires careful consideration of security and data synchronization. Key considerations. User roles and permissions. Ensure authors have the appropriate permissions to edit content. Workflow integration. Integrate content preview and editing into your content workflow. Accessibility. Make sure your preview and editing interfaces are accessible to all users. 6. SEO considerations, making decoupled sites search engine friendly. SEO is vital for attracting organic traffic. Decoupled sites present some unique challenges. Server-side rendering, SSR. Search engines need to be able to crawl and index your content. Server-side rendering is essential to ensure that content is rendered on the server and delivered as HTML. Frameworks like Next.js, React, and Nuxt.js, Vue.js, simplify SSR. Meta tags and structured data. Ensure that your front end dynamically generates meta tags and structured data, example schema.org markup, based on the content. Code example, React with Next.js. Sitemaps. Generate and submit a sitemap to search engines. URL structure. Maintain a clear and consistent URL structure. Performance optimization. Optimize your front end for speed to improve search engine rankings. SEO modules in Drupal. Meta tag. Provides meta tag management. Path auto. Generates SEO-friendly URLs. Sitemap. Generates XML sitemaps. Redirect. Manages redirects for changed URLs. 7. Module ecosystem and development. Drupal's module ecosystem continues to evolve to support decoupled development. Key modules. JSON API. Provides a standardized and performant JSON API for accessing Drupal content. Generally favored over the older RESTful Web Services module. GraphQL. An alternative API query language that allows clients to request specific data. Simple OAuth, and other OAuth modules. Authentication and authorization for APIs. Consumers, formerly services. Provides a UI for managing API clients and their permissions. Cores. Manages cross-origin resource sharing settings. Decoupled router. Helps manage routing between Drupal and the front end. Developing for decoupled Drupal. API first approach. Design your modules with an API first approach. Focus on data models. Define clear and consistent data models for your content. Asterisk testing asterisk write thorough unit and integration tests for your API endpoints. Asterisk documentation asterisk document your APIs clearly and comprehensively. 8. Code example, React plus Drupal.js ON API. This is a more comprehensive example showcasing a basic React application fetching data from a Drupal.js ON API endpoint and rendering it. Prerequisites asterisk node.js and npm installed. Asterisk Drupal site with JSON API module enabled. Asterisk content created in Drupal, example articles. Steps asterisk 1. Create a React app asterisk 2. Create a components directory asterisk 3. Create article list.js asterisk 4. Create article detail.js asterisk 5. Modify app.js asterisk 6. Start the React app asterisk explanation asterisk article list.js asterisk fetches a list of articles from the /JSONAPI/node/article endpoint. Asterisk uses Axios for making the API request. Asterisk uses state and use effect are used for managing the state and fetching data on component mount. Asterisk displays a list of article titles as links. Asterisk article detail.js asterisk fetches details of a specific article based on the ID parameter from the URL, using useparams. Asterisk displays the article title, body, rendered using dangerously set inner HTML, and an image, if available. Note: dangerously set inner HTML can be a security risk if you're displaying user-generated HTML. Sanitize the HTML before displaying it. Asterisk the image URL extraction demonstrates how to access related entities from the JSON API response, field_image. You'll likely need to adjust the path to the image based on your Drupal configuration. Asterisk app.js asterisk sets up the React router for navigating between the article list and individual article details. Important notes asterisk replace placeholders asterisk remember to replace http://drupal.example.com with the actual URL of your Drupal site. Asterisk CORS configuration asterisk you will need to configure CORS on your Drupal site to allow requests from your React app's origin, usually http://localhost 3000 during development. You can do this using the CORS module, manually in your .access file, or in your settings.php file. Asterisk error handling asterisk the code includes basic error handling, but you should implement more robust error handling in a production environment. Asterisk image paths asterisk carefully inspect the JSON API response to determine the correct path to the images. The example assumes images are stored in the default site/default/files directory. 9. Key takeaways from Drupalcon Nashville 2018. Decoupled Drupal is a powerful architectural pattern that offers significant benefits for performance, user experience, and omni-channel publishing. Choosing the right approach, progressively, fully, or hybrid, depends on your specific needs and resources. Security is paramount. Implement robust authentication and authorization mechanisms. Data consistency and caching are critical for maintaining a good user experience. The Drupal module ecosystem continues to evolve to support decoupled development. Careful planning and architecture are required to address the complexities of decoupled Drupal. This tutorial provides a comprehensive overview of the key topics discussed at Drupalcon Nashville 2018 regarding decoupled Drupal, including practical code examples to get you started. Remember to adapt the code to your specific needs and environment. Good luck.